I've already moved the gas tank. In order to do that, just take off the seat, put the key in, lift up on it, back, take off a 12mm bolt that holds the gas tank in, and then of course remove the gas line and vacuum line from the gas peacock and take the gas tank off, and it gives you complete access here. The ignition, the plugs have already been labeled, but it's pretty obvious too where they go. But it gives you real good access to the spark plugs once you take the gas tank off. So I would recommend doing it. It's not too much of a deal. It's something that's absolutely critical here, and I'm going to show you. Make sure you take some compressed air and clean off that area before taking out the spark plugs. You don't want anything getting into your cylinders, and the way this engine is designed, that's pretty easy to happen. A lot of stuff will get caught up in there. So take some compressed air, clean it out beforehand with some type of a extended big Q-tip. I don't know. I'm gonna get a rag and a really thin stick and clean it out after I do the compressed air. And then depending on how long you have how long the spark plugs haven't been done, you may want to spray just a little bit of penetrating oil in there to help them get out, because you don't want to damage those threads. So I've got my new spark plugs here, and this is the tool I'm using. I know it's a bit of overkill, but I got an 18-inch 3/8 extension. So the plug size you're going to be using is 18mm spark plug socket, and then I got 3/8 ratchet. So we're just going to come over here, and it's really simple. You just remove the spark plugs, vice versa, and do that for all 4 of them and replace them accordingly. Something I would recommend doing is doing one at a time instead of removing all 4 and replacing it. But yeah, that's about it. So when you gap a spark plug, you want to have a spark plug gap reader. You can see it's got measurements on it. So we're going to take our new spark plug, and the specifications for 95 Nighthawk 750 is 0.032 to 0.035 gap. So what we're going to do is take the spark plug, and right where in between the electrode and the prong, we're going to slip this in between here at the end, and measure it. And as you can see, if you can focus in, not quite, but it's at 0.033, 0.034. So we're all good to go with this one, and you're going to repeat this process for all 4 spark plugs. Leave a comment down below, especially with these. I'm new to making videos, so please give me some feedback, and always smash that dislike button if you disapprove of something that I did, or you don't like the way my hairstyle, whatever. And if you did like the video, you know what to do. So thank you for watching, and send me a video request or something to do, so and I'll do my best to take care of it. Thank you, and have a great day.